Home staging. Can I do it myself? Short answer, yes. Many aspects of the home staging process are done best by qualified professionals. However, there are some home preparation tasks that add tons of value, and yes, you can do them yourself. So, what can I do myself? Clean and declutter. Average cost $100 to $200. Home price increase $1,500 to $2,000. Paint interior walls. Average cost $500 to $750. Home price increase $1,500 to $2,000. What not to do yourself? Undertake major renovations. For most homes, a major renovation will not make back the investment. Paint everything neutral. Data shows that homes that display dynamic interiors through color sell faster and far more money. Rent furniture. Furniture companies make money selling and renting furniture, not strategizing the sale of a home. Only a professional home stager should provide staging advice, especially for adding furniture and accessories to your home. Home staging tips. Make a moving checklist. Make a plan for what you're keeping, tossing, and donating. Don't forget the plants. Even faux plants make a room feel more alive. Set the table. Make your buyers think about entertaining. Don't get overwhelmed. When in doubt, call your home stager.